Welcome back. Today we're working on the skid rail runners. We're going to take this piece of strip steel, put it on the top of this skid rail, and then wrap it around and weld a piece on the other side. This is for protecting the bottom of the skid when you're moving the engine around. So let's get to work. Well, that was pretty hard. This board is warped, so the steel didn't line up. So I had to pull it this direction and try to split the difference on the error. I got it pretty good. It's about as good as it's going to get. It's under a lot of tension. I kept breaking the screws off because it was shearing them as I was pulling sideways on it. So I got a pretty good fit. I might work on it just a little bit more, but it's going to be about what it is because it's just not an ideal situation there. Nope, that's the end of another video. We got the frame rails done, the runners are done. I went ahead and stained and painted off camera. That's pretty boring. I used a Minwax walnut stain, put 2 coats on it, brushed it on, and then wiped it off with a part of an old rug like this here. So that worked pretty good, and took about 8 hours to put these runners on. The time-lapse one that I showed was the hardest one, is because the rail was bent. The wood was warped, I mean, and then the straight rail didn't want to line up, so I had to force it into alignment. So it seems to work pretty good. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to put a satin coat of polyurethane on everything off camera, and then the next video will be putting it together. We'll see how that goes. And Tina says to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.